Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G from the European distribution, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. In this phone you can also find already installed screen protection. There's the factory foil that is applied on the screen. So if you don't want to protect your smartphone in the better way, you can leave this foil on the screen and it will also protect your phone from the scratches. But if you want to get better protection, you can remove that foil and apply the standard tempered glass. But you can also apply tempered glass on that foil, so we can decide what you want to get. I'm going to stay with that foil and put on a tempered glass. So let's start. And as you can see, at the first we have to prepare a good source of light, because on my display I can find a lot of fingerprints and we have to remove them. So remember that it's very important that you have to spot mess that you have on your display. And right now we can simply open box with tempered glass, where we can find for sure the tempered glass and also the two wipes, the wet and the dry. And in some cases you will also find some kind of the stickers to remove dust from the screen, but in my case I don't have them, so I'm going to use only the two wipes. And at the first I'm going to use the wet one. If you have any problem and this wet is not wet, it comes dry, sometimes it happens, you can use something like window cleaner and it will also clean your screen, so don't worry about that. Okay, right now when we want to clean our display, we have to put that wipe on the display or on that foil, like in my case, and you have to make moves like in the circle. You have to catch a very edge. We have to clean whole screen. We can put it on the other side. You can do it slowly, you don't have to hurry up. Okay, when you finish with the wet one, and as you can see right now the display looks definitely better, we have to dry it out with the dry wipe. So we can make the same moves in the circle. Okay, and right now try to remove dust from the screen. I have few pieces, so I'm going to put them at the bottom. Okay, and right now the display looks really great. So we can easily remove that sticker from the foil that is attached to the tempered glass from the bottom. So let's make it right now. As you can see, it goes very easily. And now we can finally put glass like that. You have to keep holding the bottom part. Try to put it on the both sides the same. As you can see, take a look here and here. I think that in my case it looks very nice, so I'm going to hold with my finger here and I will put bottom part just like that. And take a look right now, it goes automatically. You don't even have to press on the screen, but you can for sure to make it a little bit faster, just like that. And right now we have to use this wipe and just press the whole tempered glass to get it stick better to the display, or like in my case to the foil, because I just leave that foil, the factory foil, on the screen to get better protection. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. It looks like that. We can turn on the screen, and right now let's check how the sensitivity works. As you can see, there is no any problem with the sensitivity on the screen, so you don't have to be afraid of applying additional screen protection like in my case. That's all. So that's how we can apply properly tempered glass on your display in OnePlus Nord 2 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.